focus, man.
Okay, so I'm coming to you from MAR del Plata, Argentina. So we're on the coast right now, and this is what it looks like. The weekend is just about to start. It's Friday, and it's kind of calm. It's about 4:30, so it's not as hot as it was earlier. And this area is really quiet here. So this isn't actually the beach. We're coming up to another beach now. But you'll see a bunch of fishermen behind me and people who just want to chill out on the rocks over here. So you can sit back on the rocks, relax, and be pretty much left alone. You got a little bit of shade. And it's a lot quieter than on the beach because the beaches are packed right now. I'm talking about where you can't even barely put down a towel without kicking somebody. So hit that like button. I'm putting in work out here. I swear to y'all, I'm putting in work. And just stay tuned. But so far I haven't seen anybody on the beach who's selling stuff, you know, like you would see in Barcelona or most cities in Europe and southern Spain on the coast. You always got them hustlers out there, right? The guys, they got like the beach towels. They're walking around like, hey, you know, you want to take a look at this? And you also got like the Asian massage women who come by asking you if you want a massage. I haven't seen that here yet. And I don't really expect to find it because those groups really aren't that heavy down here. I mean, you might see one or two Africans on the beach, but I don't think they hustle as hard as they might do over in Europe, you know, where people got the money like that. And I think it's just more of a market. They're a little bit more tolerant too. I think here, people aren't really gonna go for that. Starting to get hot now. The sun is doing it to me. I'm starting to cook. I might need to get over there into the shade. Yeah, here we go. Oh yeah, that feels good. That shade makes a big difference. Even though we're by the coast, it's really not that breezy like you would think it would be. They got a little hot dog stand over here. And so you've got some more of this rocky coast. And a lot of people set up over here because it's much less crowded. I think even if you want to go to some of the sand beaches, they actually charge you something. So it's a cheaper way to pass the day. If you want to just chill by the rocks, have a little bit more privacy. See some girlies over here doing a shoot. She posing her ass off. I don't know if y'all can see this. I can't zoom right now because I'm walking, but you know, she doing the most. Trying to get them IG angles. There she goes. Getting them angles.
Such thing as a life that's better than your
Focus, man.